to the Healing Insights 70-day course. We are on day 62 as we continue on with step 5, exercise and physical activity. Today, my healing insight is, have you reached max recovery? This healing insight helped me realize that I was not going to settle for the physical status after 2 rounds of physical therapy treatment due to injuries from the car accident that I was involved in April of 2014. I had cervical sprain or whiplash and a shoulder injury that was consistent with a rotator cuff injury. That day at therapy, my usual provider was not available, so I was treated by the lead physical therapist, the owner. At the end of the session, he asked me, "Do you feel like you have reached maximum recovery?" I hesitated to answer him. He went on to tell me that he had been involved in a car accident 3 years prior. He mentioned that he still had numbness in one of his legs. He also reminded me that after an injury, we do not always recover 100%. I told him that I understood that, but I had great benefits from dry needle therapy for TMJ. I had inquired with my regular physical therapist if that was a service that was provided at this physical therapy office. Since it was not, I had already talked with my doctor about getting a referral to the physical therapist that had treated me for TMJ. I explained to the lead physical therapist and told him that yes, I believe that I was ready to move on from the treatment at his facility, but that I believed that I still had hope that I could progress a bit more. I shared this healing insight with you for 2 reasons. Number 1, because you know your body better than anyone else. Number 2, because you must believe in yourself. You must believe that you can heal. I knew this even before I had knowledge of how the body and the brain works, how the law of attraction works, how maintaining a consistent attitude of gratitude will attract back exactly more positivity into your life. Dr. Joe Dispenza captures the essence of this belief in his quote, "The ultimate belief is the belief in yourself and in the field of infinite possibilities." I did transfer to the other physical therapist and I received therapy for another 2 rounds. I did progress some, but my physical therapist helped me realize that there was something else holding me back from full recovery. That is why this course includes steps and techniques to heal your mind, body, soul, and spirit. Because of the mind, body, soul, and spirit connection, we need to understand what is holding us back, how to release it, how to move on, how to prime your central nervous system to heal. I want to help you realize that you must heal at every level. I want to help you know the steps of how to accomplish that. I want to help you understand how you can create a space to heal. I want to give you everything you need to succeed. Fibromyalgia and many other medical conditions that we deal with are difficult to live with on a day-to-day basis. So that's why I'm sharing this insight so that you can wrap your mind around them all and take action to find relief today. The activity, soul-searching questions, and daily challenge can be found in the workbook under day 62. Pause the video now to print the worksheet or grab your pen and notebook. Activity. Roller relief. Instructions. We're going to do a neck, a latissimus dorsi, and a hamstring roller massage with the foam roller. And this is really good to help roll out some of those trigger points that are causing you some of that pain. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we are going to lie on our back. We're going to have our knees bent, and we're going to place the roller right behind the neck. And then you just turn the neck to the left or the right, and you hold for 20 to 30 seconds. So we'll hold for 20. And then we would repeat this 3 times, and then switch sides and repeat for 20 to 30 seconds on the other side. So then you would just turn to the other side and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. And that's how you would do the neck stretch. Not the neck stretch, the neck massage, sorry. And then for the latissimus dorsi, that again is the muscle here right by the bra strap. So you would just lie on your side and place that bolster right there on that muscle. And one arm goes out, the arm that's closest to the floor, and then you just apply pressure there and you just hold it for 20 to 30 seconds, and I usually do this 3 times. And then another way that you can do the massage is to gently move vertically or horizontally. So the horizontal, would be just like this. So you're just kind of doing a forward and back. And you can do that for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. It feels really good. You will feel those little trigger points being massaged away. And then this is how you would do the vertical. Just give it a little bit of movement. And again, you would do that for 20 to 30 seconds and then repeat it times 3. So that is how you do your latissimus dorsi muscles. There you go. And then the third one will be the hamstring. So what we do, I'll do it in this direction so you can see what I'm doing here, is we just place it right underneath that hamstring, right there. And then you just roll. And you can cross your feet if you need to kind of keep your legs in more control. And you would just massage for 20 to 30 seconds. Just gently move back and forward. And you can switch sides and do the other leg and repeat. Just like that. I think we're just about at 20 seconds now. And then you would just do the other leg. And just flip that leg so that way that pressure is on the other leg. Just like that. It's so good. All right. Perfect. Okay, let me get back centered so we can move on. All right, grab your notebook and pen. We're going to do soul-searching questions. Think of a situation when you knew exactly what your body was capable of, despite a medical provider's suggestion. How did you feel as you described your ability? What was the result of this situation? What strengths did you realize from this situation? Remember, take as much or as little time as you need. There's no rush. All right. Daily challenge. Turn hope into action. Believe. Believe in yourself today. Recall a situation when you believed in yourself. Use higher level emotions like joy, love, freedom, inspiration, creativity, empowerment to rehearse how it would feel if you were at max recovery right now. All right. I will see you in the next video.